Deciding on a life partner is a crucial decision that many of us face, and not everybody or everyone may be fortunate enough to choose the right person for this journey. Therefore, is divination or prophetic messages the best solution to help guide someone in choosing a life partner? Looking at this from an Igbo ancestral perspective, we regard this process as Iju Ese, and it occurs in two ways. The first form of Iju Ese is conducted by the parents of both families, who investigate each other's backgrounds to determine if the potential partners are suitable for each other. They ask vital questions such as, are there any terminal illnesses like epilepsy or mental afflictions? Are there any dangerous behavioral patterns, high child mortality rates or mortality rates among the elders or among relatives? And they also investigate to find out other significant concerns. They also investigate the personality and character of the man or the woman and their parents. Ultimately, they conclude by determining if the family in question is an Osu and the reasons for it. The second kind of Iju Ese involves investigating the spiritual compatibility of both families. Here they examine the principled moralities and so that the families adhere to, which may include animals they hold sacred and do not kill, along with other lineage customs that the families adhere to. The purpose of asking these questions is to ensure that both families can unite both physically and spiritually. Ultimately, this would now lead to a long-lasting marital union between their children. Fortunately, Iju Ese is one of the aspects of Igbo culture and customs that has not been destroyed or whitewashed or washed away by Christian and religious erosions, but this culture has been aberrated. Currently, names are now being presented to Catholic priests, pastors, and traditional diviners to verify if the union between two people would be peaceful and long-lasting. This deviation has led to poor and questionable marital decisions by couples who only rely on these opinions as the foundation for choosing a spouse. As a result of this, many of these marriages have imploded because they were only built on assertions made by assumed spiritual intermediaries rather than any sustainable values shared by the couples. Hence, this aberration is a far cry from Igbo ancestral practice of Iju Ese.